The 3D mapping looks accurate on the dorsal scales. The 3D mapping looks accurate on the dorsal scales.
Confirmed. The thickness measurements are within tolerance.
The lift is perfectly centered.
Optimal grip achieved. Ready for transport.
The pH levels are stable at 8.2.
Confirmed. The absorption rate looks optimal for the batch.
Check the readings on VAT3.
Stable at 4.2. Process is proceeding as expected.
The bonding efficacy has increased by 20%.
Excellent. The new catalyst is working as expected.
Ramping up the saturation levels on the black dye.
Monitor the absorption rate closely.
Dye absorption is currently at 98%.
Looks good. Maintain current levels for the next cycle.
Matching the color chart to the dye lot is critical. As you can see, the consistency on this Nile Crocodile flank is absolutely perfect.
Estira bien la esquina, por favor. ¿Así está bien?
The shipment for line 3 is confirmed here.
Yes, the AGV is routing it now. We should monitor the delivery time.
I need another green panel over here.
Coming right up.
This is the pinnacle of luxury craftsmanship. The scales are perfectly symmetrical, and our facility allows
Check the grain on this espresso piece.
Flawless, ready for shipment.
The hydration levels are perfect on this batch.
Agreed. The grain structure is flawless.
Is the manifest ready?
Yes, optimizing for Bay 3 now.
Welcome to the future of luxury. This emerald green handbag is a testament to the precision and artistry achieved here in our state-of-the-art facility.
It's been fascinating touring this facility. From all of us here, goodbye for now.
We need to adjust the tension on this batch. The grain is slightly off here. Right.
Understood. I'll recalibrate the settings immediately. Look at the grain analysis on the tablet here. Yeah, perfect.
Remarkable consistency. We can approve this section for cutting.
Our integration of AI and automation allows us to maximize efficiency while maintaining the highest quality standards for our crocodile leather.
Check the throughput on line 3.
Looks good. Supervisor confirmed the batch quality.